Hello. I'm back. But wanted to I can't get too close to the edge because the rain's blowing in on the side of the porch. There's our yard now. It's actually thundering out. Woo. Somebody on my last post said, well, you don't have no neighbors? Yeah, there's a house way over there. They got lots of trees in their yard. Hubby's mom was right there, which I was trying to hurry because of the rain. And then his uncle lives right there. And then over there on the other side of our house, that's where his grandpa lives. So yeah, we have 3 neighbors. We're on a corner lot. Are you picking up? Come on, pick them up. So I can sweep. Trying to get little one to pick her toys up so I can sweep the house. She goes, you need a mop. Yeah. With all this rain, I'm going to mop so Daddy can come in with his muddy feet when he comes home from work. That makes sense. There's another neighbor right there. If you can see the house in between the trees. But they live diagonally from us. I'm hoping that you can hear me talk. But you see all the water in my yard? My pool is overflowing. It leans a little to the right from looking at it. As you can tell, it's more full on that side. But yeah, we didn't get much from this flipping storm, just lots of rain. Once in a while we'll have a wind burst or whatever. But it is no longer coming towards us. The rain smells good. I love rainy days, but days when you can actually sleep. Okay, I'm going to stop this here so I can go show you the other side of my house. Okay, I'm back. See, that's where his mom and dad live. That's his sister's car and his her daughter's car. She's like 20 something. There's our little, more flooding, but it was already somewhat flooded, but not that bad. The farthest one away. I hear my cat. I haven't seen them since yesterday. They ran off and hid. Must be up in one of the trees, hiding. They won't come on the porch because of Diego. He likes to beat them up. Because they've been hiding in the... Kitty, 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 kitty! Come on! Come on! Come on! I don't know where he's at. Look at them clouds though. Over there, there's a pond in the neighbor's yard next to my mother-in-law's house, but over there, by their fence, is getting flooded too. But where is that cat at? Come on! Come on! Come in the house! Kitty, 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 kitty! I hear it meowing, but he won't come here. If I have to go out there and drag his butt in the house. Come here! Sounds like he's like right there, but he's not right here. But, yeah, this is our yard. That's his grandfather's house over there. I don't know where the freaking cat is. I feel so bad for him. Woo! Big gust of wind. As you can see the wind picking up. We're finally not in a tropical or tornado watch anymore. That is past. But I say be on the lookout anyways. Ooh, look at that. That wind. Time for me to come in the house. That wind's getting a little too windy for me. Alright, well that's the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye!